Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today I have a modern item. This is a Yamaha Natural Sounds AV receiver. This model is an RX V367. I purchased it off eBay. It was a local collection only item. The reason I went for it is because it cost me 99 pence. And I thought if I can get this working again, it's going to be a great bass unit amplifier for a retro hi-fi system that I want to put together. The seller's description grabbed my interest as well. With these kind of amplifiers, if there's a fault with them, they go into a protected mode. But this one, the description on it says the sound circuit's not working. The unit powers on, the TV signal passes through the HDMI to the screen. However, no sound comes out. Even the test tone function does not sound. I'm going to take the cover off this first, have a look inside, see what sort of condition it's in, and then we'll plug it in and do a function test on it. Right, so a little look. Unit's a bit dusty inside. Just having a look to see if there's anything loose. They said the power supply was all okay and operational. But there was nothing coming out of the speakers. Now if there was a fault with, say, some of these power amplifier chips on this heatsink here, you'd expect one channel, two channels not to work, but no sound at all. So this is a bit of an odd one. So before I start doing any cleaning on anything, let's plug it in and see what happens. Can't see any loose leads or anything. For my purchase, I also got a Yamaha remote control for it. I had a chat with the guy when I picked it up. He said he'd bought a replacement. He'd had this a number of years and he just didn't want to throw it away. So it's plugged in. Just press the power button. Okay. So let's have a click here. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, 3, 4, AV 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio 1, audio 2, V auxiliary, tuner, okay, FM AM radio. Right, sound effects, we've got movie, standard, spectacle, sci-fi, adventure. Okay, so it's flicking through all the settings. Stereo 2 channel. What's kicking in? Okay, there's a relay card down here. Set up. Okay, so having a quick function check with this, it appears to be going through all the settings okay. I'm going to connect up some headphones, I think, first and see if there's any audio output. It says it's got a radio on it, so I'm going to try using the radio function. On the back of the unit I have the surround sound speakers. We've got left and right, centre speaker and two main front speakers, and they're all connected here, and there's a relay card on here, and when I plug this headphone jack in they all seem to click. So I think they're disconnecting the outputs from the power stage and just diverting it directly to the headphones. So let's plug that in and see what happens. That's interesting, something's coming out of the headphones. I'm going to go and connect this up to a set of speakers and maybe a tape deck. I've connected up 5 speakers to the system, 2 front speakers, 2 rear speakers and a centre speaker. I'm going to switch it on and try the test function on the volume. See if I can get anything to come out of the main speakers. Bigger, distance equals test tone on. So they're all working. That's good news. I'll have a little prod around. Well, I can't find anything wrong with it. I'm going to connect a tape deck up to it and try and play some music through it. That's all working absolutely fine. Okay, I'm going to connect our DVD player up to it now and make sure the HDMI port is switching over. HDMI is now connected up between the DVD player and one of the screens, and I'm going to select HDMI 1. So all the HDMI ports switch over. The sound is absolutely amazing. Different effects you can get. Just going to check the test tone one more time. Test tone. Alright, let's give it another test. That's it. It's all passed every test I can think of. Best 99p I ever spent. Thank you for watching. See you next time.